Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, pag-uusapan natin, I'm gonna speak Tagalog pala. This is a Tagalog vlog, in English maybe. So, what's in my flight attendant backpack? Anong backpack? Lunch bag. Lunch bag! So, we have this big lunch bag. The camera is not focusing. Yan, big lunch bag. And, na-full ko siya today. This is the first time na na-full ko siya. And then also, the past few pairings or flights that I have, I've been buying food. So, I wanted to save money now and meal prep my food. So, that's what I'm gonna do. So, first, I have a big bottle of water. Always bring water to your hotel because you don't know if they have water or not. I have 3 rice because rice is life. You need carbs while flying para hindi ka mahilo and hindi ka gutumin. So I would eat this on the plane in the hotel after work. And I have gulay. I meal prep this gulay. Whatever gulay na nandun sa ref, yun na lang pinagsama-sama niluto ko. So, stir fry lang siya, zucchini, eggplant, and bell pepper, and onion. With some seasonings. And then, I have this tiny, so cute, embutido. Prinito ko na lang din siya kagabi or kaninang umaga. Kagabi. Yeah, kagabi ako nag-prepare ng baon. Kung ano nakita ko sa ref, yun na. Kasi nga, ayoko mag-aksaya ng pagkain din sa ref. At sobrang daming na-aksaya ng pagkain sa bahay. So, ayan. Tapos, guys, I have 2 kinds of eggs. So, I have salted egg. This is actually still from my other pairing. Ay, nag-moist na siya. Ewan ko kung pwede pa to. Anyway, salted egg. Easy. Sobrang easy niya na pang-ulam or like baon when you go anywhere. I recommend just eating it in your hotel room kasi mabaho siya pag sa plane, diba? Syempre. Tapos, nakikita ko to lagi sa YouTube page and YouTube page ng mga Korean food vlogger. So, I tried to make yung marinated soy egg. Yan. So, I made last night marinated soy egg. See it. How can you see it? So, it looks like this. So anyway guys, ayan siya, soy marinated egg. It's so simple, just boil egg and soy sauce with hot water. Well, dapat sana dashi water ba yun? But I don't have that, so hot water na lang and a little bit of vinegar para hindi masyadong maalat. With diced onion. Dapat diced green onion, but I don't have green onion, so diced onion na lang and a little bit of bell pepper. Pero since I love chili oil, I also put chili oil sa seasoning. So, yan. And it looks marinated na talaga. Like kulay black na yung outside ng egg. So, yan siya guys. And then, to balance it off, I have fermented food kimchi na nilagay ko siya sa maliit na container na ganito na it looks like a small kimchi from the store. So, ayan siya. I love eating this pang pabalance ng taste palette while eating salty food with rice. Ayan. And while watching Korean mukbang, ganun. So, feel na feel ko siya. And then, next is tuna cans. Just for emergency, if wala ka nang mabaon and wala ka nang time magluto, this is perfect. This is our favorite brand. Wow, favorite brand. Someone introduced me to this and it's so good. So, ayan. It's perfect siya with steam rice. Or rice na microwave. Steam pa din yan. And it's so easy open. Ganito lang siya. Easy open can. You don't need a can opener. This is really cute and perfect. Perfect din siya pang picnic. So, pang summer kit din. Masarap din siya, guys. Iba-ibang flavor. So, my favorite is yung chili. Chili Thai. Tapos, meron silang bago. Yung dill and lemon. So, I'm gonna try that too. This one, I just eat like maybe 4 days to 5 days into the pairing or into the flight. Una kong kinakain yung mga madaling masira. We have some fruits, bananas na may pinagdaanan na kanina kulay green lang to eh. Kakaisang flight ko pa lang today. Diba? And I have snacks, chips. I don't know why, for some reason, during flights or like working days, I always crave for something salty after flight. And then also sometimes something sweet naman. So this is my favorite na na-discover ko is pretzels with dark chocolate and milk chocolate and sea salt. It's so good. It's sweet but it's also salty. So it's really good. I love it. It's a little expensive but also I have extra. This one naman is I put this on my luggage. Kasi hindi siya masisira sa luggage. So just in case na magutom ako in the middle of the night at wala akong makainan, walang mabilhan, and I don't like doing Uber. So ito, sausage. And of course, we always have to have some sort of cup noodles. My favorite ones when I first started flying is of course yung Bok Choy and ano nga ba brand yun? I forgot. Yung Filipino brand, Bok Choy and Sotanghon. Basta yung brand na yun. Favorite ko yun. Kasi it reminds me of my childhood. So, every time I eat it, it's like childhood, ganun. Comfort food, ganun. Na instant. So, anyway, I discovered this. This is just from Dollarama or dollar store. Vietnamese cup noodles pho is also so good. It's good. Na, kasi the noodles is so soft and it melts in your mouth. It's so good. Compared to like other, I don't like noodles na parang rubbery. So, ayun lang. That's all. That's all in what's in my flight attendant lunch bag. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. And hope na meron kang natutunan. Okay, yun lang. Bye!